Here we have the I sound. I. Now let's look at all these words here. All these words has got the I sound. They are I, hi, might, sight, right, tight, bite. Let's listen to a story with the I sound. It's called Knight in Bright Suit. One night, Paul had a bad nightmare. As soon as he went to sleep, the nightmare began. In the nightmare, Paul had to fight with a knight in a bright metal suit. See, this is the knight. It's the end of the story. Now let's do some activities with the I sound. We are going to do an activity which has got to do with the sounds A, E, I, O, U. I want you to listen to the words and match the words with the correct sound of the vowel. Now let's look at the first picture here. It's a picture of, what is this? Note, oat, note, note. What sound is it? Note. Yes. It has got the O sound, yeah? So, O. Let's look at the word note here. Music note. So you have the O sound. Right. Now let's look at the second picture here. It's meat. 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 E. E. Meat. E sound. Yes. Now, if I were to write the word meat here, the sound that you see is E. Correct. Alright. Next one is a picture of the post box. Post box. What sound do you hear? Post box. Now, let me just write the word. Post box has got the O sound. Correct. Now let's look at the next picture here. It's the color red. Ed. Yes, here, let's see. Ed, A sound. Red. Okay, next is an apron. Apron. Yes, apron. Spell it. It's got the A sound. Apron. Let's do this. Let's do it one more time. Note, O, meat, post box, post, O, red, A. Apron is also A. Right. The end.